So what's up guys, I think everyone are doing good. Okay, so this video will be about kill all. So in the last video you did kill, and in this video you're doing kill all. So you can easily understand that kill all means you will all killing all the processes. No, that is not like that. So the main difference between kill and kill all is nothing but, so kill command works on what a process ID, and it kills all the process for which you provide with a PID, that will be a process ID. But on the other hand, kill all command will work on process names, not the process ID. It will work on the process names, and it will kill all the process which if you specify name, then it is better to use kill all. So that is the main difference between kill all. So kill will use process ID and kill all will use a process name. That is what the difference between. Okay, let's see the syntax. Syntax is same. Okay, syntax is same for what kill all also. Syntax is the same. Process name. So in that kill is specified here as a PID, that will be process ID. In here I need to specify process name. Okay, that is what the difference between kill and the kill all. Okay, let's start with first one. Let's do PS so that we can see many process which is running. Let's say I need to terminate one thing. I use -5, then I will use process name, that will be vim, then I can terminate it. Okay, now I'll use process ID also 25390, that will terminate it. So if you need to kill that command, you can also use -9 -9, that will actually terminate it. So kill all, so that will actually terminate it. But I was using kill. If you need to use kill all, then you can specify vim, so that it will terminate all the process which was running in the background. Okay, that is how we use kill and kill all. See, you use kill and 15, but kill 15 and process name, but it did not take, because kill basically takes PID, and if you use kill with the process ID, it will obviously terminate it. But if you use kill all with the process name, then it will terminate. That is how the difference between, that is how you can use kill and kill all. So quietly similar, both are quietly similar. So displaying for displaying all the signals that you are using, but in this kill all there is different signals you can use it. That will be up and int, quit, ill. Instead of using numbers in arguments, in kill all you need to use names to do that. Let's say PS, there is many arguments running. Okay, let's eliminate a mask. This will be the one text editor. I need to eliminate it. So I use kill all, then I use kill, that will be here, kill. Okay, then I need to specify the process name, not the ID. Okay, a mask. If I do enter, no process found. Okay, maybe there is no process found, I guess. So this is how we use it, but there is no process to kill, so it is not showing anything. Okay, instead of that, you can also use to signal is equal to terminate for shortcut, and my process. So you can also use this instead of specifying kill or 15.9 or something. You can also signal using signal argument also. This is how you can signal. Okay, let's say that you need to prompt the confirmation, then you need to use -I and then my process. So this will basically prompt that sure you want to delete this process, then yeah, it will ask for that. Then you need to press yes, then it will terminate or kill that process. Okay, so the next one is, if you are doing if you use Q, then it will terminate or it will kill that process in quiet mode. Quiet mode is basically, it will not prompt anything. It will not say that I am doing this this operation, that it will be done in the background without knowing that it will be done in the silently. It will kill the process. Okay, so now let's say you need to terminate all the process instances owned by this user. So you need to use -u, then you need to specify the username. Okay, let me specify username, then you need to use my process, that will be the process names. Okay, so this will terminate all the process which is running in this particular user. Okay, this is how you use this one -u. Let's say you want to wait the process, wait process. So this will basically what it will not terminate it. It is basically to say pause this operation, something like that. So wait is basically used to pause the operation if you need to pause any process, that if you are letting another process to be performed, then if you this process is taking all the resources, then you can pause this particular resources so that another process can take all the remaining resources. Okay, you can also do L, you can also do -L, and you can specify the process my process, that will basically list all the process with the names matching with my process. Okay, let me say bash, then it will display all the arguments which is present. I guess you can't use you can use this argument also instead of using -L. Yeah, if you don't know how to use what kill all, you can also see the man page, that will give a what brief, not a deep understanding of how do you use this kill all command. Okay, so you can also check the version, I guess, kill all version, to see the version. Yeah, it is 23.4. okay, so that is all up, guys, and thank you for watching. So don't worry, I'll make like 1 hour to 2 hours of video how this kill and kill all will work exactly. So with using all these arguments, I'll make a video. Just subscribe and see the will be waiting for the update. Okay, thank you for watching.